What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be making a ring inspired by the Forbidden City in China. And this has been a really long time in the making. I went to China last summer and I was really inspired by all the cool materials they had, just all the stuff they use in their architecture, all the amazing colors and things like that. And so I'll walk you through what I've selected and why I have it. So first, I'm going to use a gold liner and then a gold strip for it. I guess I should explain this first. This is going to be kind of the basic design of it. It's going to be a 4-stripe ring with a gold liner. So I have the liner out of gold and then one of the 4 stripes will be gold as well. I'll show you how I'll connect those. And then just China is really known for their gold. They do a lot of gold stuff. I saw a lot of gold things while I was there, so that one's kind of a given, and it's also great for jewelry, obviously. The next one is copper, and this could be anything, brass, copper, bronze, but their statues they had in the Forbidden City, they were amazing, and they had a really cool patina on it. So I'm gonna make something out of this piece of copper here, and then I'm gonna put a patina on it to give it a finish like that, give it a nice blue color. And then here, this is just red color pigment. I'm not going to make it glow in this video because I don't want it to detract from everything else. I don't think the glow really fits in this scenario. So I'm just going to be using red pigment, inlaying that as a stripe. And then the final material is this block of ebony. And the reason I'm using that is this disc. It's actually, I think, the one souvenir I chose to bring back from China. I know, like, I'm really lame when it comes to souvenirs. I just thought this was really cool. We went into this shop and there was a bunch of stuff that was like hand carved, really cool, really intricate. But I like this. It's just a slab of a tree and it looks really cool, I think. I put it on my bookshelf like that. So I know I'm lame, don't make fun of me, but I think it's really cool. And it's kind of what inspired the whole thing. I just love the materials I saw there. This is the only one I bought. And so I got this piece that I can actually destroy. I don't want to mess this one up. And so I'm going to be cutting a piece off there. We should be left with a design like this. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. So at this point, I'm about halfway through the build, and I wanted to take a second to talk about today's sponsor, which is ExpressVPN. Now, having sponsors has allowed me to significantly raise my budget for ring builds, which is fantastic because it allows me to actually make the rings that I've designed in the past, but I've had to put them on the back burner because they either took too long to make, they were too expensive, or both. So like this ring, for example, I used over $400 in gold alone, and it took me multiple days of filming. So it would not be possible without the help of ExpressVPN. Now I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. I've been trying to get ExpressVPN to sponsor a video for a while now, and it's because VPNs are so applicable to me and my lifestyle. And obviously the more a sponsor fits me, the better I feel about endorsing it and genuinely giving my followers my seal of approval. So as far as VPNs go, ExpressVPN is the best of the best. They have the fastest speeds, consistently beating out their competitors, and I've personally never experienced an outage with them in over 2 months. Also, TechRadar rated them as the #1 VPN available, and they're by far my favorite VPN I've ever tried just due to how user-friendly they are, and then like I said earlier, not having any outages. It's also less than $7 a month with a money-back guarantee, making it super affordable. ExpressVPN encrypts all of your internet data, keeping it completely secure from hackers. And this is good, especially when you're using public Wi-Fi networks. And that's great for me because I'm self-employed, so it allows me to work on public networks without having to worry about banking information, logins, secret projects, or anything else like that being stolen. But I especially like it when I'm traveling. I can use the internet and be completely secure, whether I'm at the airport, at a hotel, or just hanging out at a Taco Bell in Los Angeles while I'm at VidSummit for a lot longer than socially acceptable. You know, just kind of your day-to-day stuff. So take back your internet privacy today and find out how you can get 3 months for free by clicking the link in the description. And that's just expressvpn.com/Patrick Adair. Thanks so much, ExpressVPN. Now let's get back to the ring making. So here the ring is finished, and I'm super happy with the way that it turned out. I love the making process of it, and I love the way that all the pieces just kind of fit together. And I think the overall just kind of color combo and the stripes, it all just worked really well, and I think it fits the theme of the Forbidden City just beautifully. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't do a voiceover for this one just because I didn't want to clutter up the video with so much just talking nonsense. I feel like I'm just repeating the same thing in a lot of the videos. So I just wanted to focus on the making, especially for this ring, where I think it was just about the process, I don't know, kind of the beauty of it and bringing it all together. So I hope you enjoyed that, but if you do have any feedback for me, especially let me know if you liked it or if you disliked having it, because I'd love to know for some of my future videos. But yeah, I won't keep going on. This ring itself, we don't have it listed on the website just because it's such a complex ring to make. There's so much that could go wrong that would entail having to start the ring over, and so it's just tricky for us to sell. But if you are interested in one, do send us an email. We've got our support email. We reply to every single email, so just inquire with us and we will get back to you. It might be expensive, But if you're super interested, let us know. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, you can subscribe to see my future videos. And then of course, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm always posting what I'm doing, behind the scenes stuff, interacting with all of you guys, etc. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.